Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another year, another day with another unboxing. For you guys that read my blog, you've seen that I like water bottles. I've done a couple of posts about water bottles, and I try to drink water as much as possible instead of anything else. Actually, the only reason why I don't drink water all the time is because when I go to a restaurant or something, I feel kind of cheap not ordering a soda. So that's the only reason. So I've got a bunch of water bottles. You see me done on unboxing of the Supreme water bottle that I should have sold. And all the ones that I have the lids that you turn off totally, and then you have a two-hand water bottle. So when I'm driving, etc., I don't want to have a water bottle that I need to use my both hands for opening up. And I really hate the sports bottle that you open with your teeth like that. You pull it with your teeth. I really hate those. I really don't want one of those. So the only option for me has been the water bottles that you turn off the lid and drink. But I want something that have everything actually. So I found this company, NAYAD, that has a water bottle with a fast opening lid, and even better in these times, environment friendly, where they have banned plastic straws in Sweden, more or less. They have a reusable straw in aluminum, I think, with a rubber. I'm going to show you everything up close. So these are really cool water bottles. So in these times when you have to be environment friendly, healthy, drinking water, etc., I think this is a perfect option for me at least. I stopped buying water bottles in the store many years ago because in Sweden we have great water in the tap, and buying a water bottle in the store is the most environment unfriendly thing you can do when you have clean, even better tasting water in the tap at home. So I'm gonna close up and show you. I'm gonna open all the bottles actually. I bought 3 different colors. Close up. So these are the 3 colors that I chose. Pink metallic, I call it. I don't know what the official color is. And this super cool teal. And this is my favorite so far. Looks like granite stone or something. They have a bunch of colors actually, and I think I'm gonna order to have like a champagne gold one as well. I think I'm gonna order that one. I think I'm gonna order that one as well. So this is not only a water bottle. This is what we call in Sweden thermos. I don't know, maybe that's the English word as well. So double-sided aluminum vacuum. So it holds cold drinks for 12 hours and hot drinks for 6 hours. So we have a bunch of functions with this water bottle, as I call it. But my favorite is the straw. I drink everything with a straw. People make fun of me when I go to a restaurant and I order Coca-Cola with a straw. And usually the waiter doesn't even believe me when I say that I want a straw. But I drink everything with a straw. It makes it easier for my teeth. So the reusable straw is my favorite part of this bottle, I think. And we have this small brush coming with, so you can clean the straw, of course. And for those who like to chew on your straws, you have this reusable rubber thing. And then you just hand wash them, nothing harder than that. And it's sealed. You see the rubber seal here, so it won't. You even hear the sound. It won't spill. And use this easy opening, closing with one hand. So that's it, I think. NAYAD water bottles. Maybe they call something else, but I call them water bottles. And another thing that I really like, I ordered these. I really think I ordered these the day before New Year's Eve, and the bottles came here today. So even though we had three, I say 2 red days, the bottles came home 3 days later. So that's super awesome. I really like this color as well. I like them all. I really do. Super cool colors. So for most people that have their water bottles as an accessory, which also I have because I have some expensive water bottles. My Supreme water bottle is at least €100. My Eva Solar water bottles is a couple of euros. But for those who like to have their water bottles as an accessory, this looks just beautiful actually. So a win-win for everything. Healthy, good looking, and environment friendly. Keep your drinks warm if you like to. Keep your drinks hot if you like to. And the reusable straw. So I think there is nothing more to say about these. I'm gonna post links in the description for their Instagram and Facebook sites, etc., etc. Yeah, I hope you like my video. Please thumbs up, subscribe, comment. I hope you don't mind seeing other things than just sneaker unboxings. Thanks. Just one last thing. Another thing that I don't like with the Supreme bottle is that it's too big to fit in the cup holder in the car. These are not. These are just the perfect size for a cup holder. So the Supreme bottle used to usually lay in the passenger seat with me. So I'm really gonna enjoy these bottles. Thanks for watching.